Today we're doing buy it or skip it with the 30 most overhyped popular car detailing products. Some deserve the hype, others make sense for some people, and some I would skip. I hope you're ready. The links are going to be down below, and let's jump right into it. By the way, these 30 products are not random picks. I've asked my audience about the overhyped products. I've researched Instagram, Reddit, Facebook, and so on. So these are the 30 most overhyped right now. Let's go with the first product, which is Invisible Glass by Stoner Car Care. Your glass cleaner. This is not flashy, simple, effective, streak-free if you use the right towel and the right method. So this one, I would definitely buy it. Now let's go with P&S Brake Buster. This one has been hyped up since at least 2019. This is a good one. It's at the top charts for the best-selling products on Amazon and car detailing distributors. This one is good. It's simple. It foams a lot. It cleans well. It does not have the iron remover. But for me, I would say that you should buy it only if you are a beginner. Otherwise, I would skip it. Next one is a quick detailer ceramic base. This is Armor Detail Supply Amplify, ultra hyped up. I've talked about this one countless times. This is a great one, streak free. I prefer to use it after a wash when the car is either wet or dry. This one is very slick. The slickest product under your microfiber towel, and yeah, good gloss, good water beading, nice to maintain your protection or as a standalone. It comes with a nice sprayer. The price is fair for what it is, so this one I would definitely buy it, whether you are a newcomer or a experienced detailer. Now let's go with Gion Wet Coat. This is a spray and rinse type of sealant. Adds gloss, slickness, hydrophobics, water beading, and they claim to add self-cleaning properties. This one is ultra popular at the top charts on Amazon car detailing distributors, but for me, this one I would skip. I found over the years that most spray and rinse tend to leave a film on the paint. You'll see that, or you'll notice that once you dry the paint, you'll see that film almost looking like water spots. So for me, this is a no-go, and if you want to use it on the wheels, go ahead as a type of drying aid, but on wheels, it won't last. So if you are a beginner and you want to save time and you're just dabbling in car detailing, yeah, go ahead, maybe it can make sense for you. But for true detailing enthusiasts, I'd recommend that you use a true spray and wipe type of sealant. Next one, let's go to Europe with Primus 2.0. This is a solid pre-wash. You can also use it in the bucket wash, diluted at 1 to 100 to maintain ceramic coating without stripping it. So this is a solid product. It smells good, super slick, and as a pre-wash, it does a very good job. I gave it a 8 year in my last pre-wash ranking video. So definitely Primus 2.0 by Labo Cosmetica is a killer product. I would say buy it right now. Now let's go with a car shampoo. This is GSF by Kushemi, the most overhyped car soap on the market. I'm gonna get fried for this, but I'm not a big fan. I've been consistent saying that Kushemi GSF, poor dilution, average scent, average slippery or average lubricity under your wash mitt. Not the greatest foam in the foam cannon. So for these reasons, my friend, I would definitely skip this one. While Kushemi is not always great value, this next product is. This is Cerakote Trim Coat, the most sold trim product online. I'm currently testing this one alongside 3 other trim coat type of product. And I gotta say, this one is really stout, really impressive. For the price, you get 10 extra large wipes. This is definitely a buy it now. Now let's go with another great value product. This is Rain X, your windshield treatment, glass coating. I would definitely buy it. This one, not only for the price, but because it works every time. The water blows off your windshield so easily. This is a solid choice. It does not last as long as the Enthusiast iron style of product, but it is a solid choice. For the price, you cannot beat Rain X. Let's go with a legendary car soap. This is Meguiar's Gold Class. This one I'm skipping. Why, Frank, are you skipping a legendary car soap? Well, things have evolved, things have gotten better. This one is way too thick, hard to dilute. Dilution is 1 ounce per gallons of water, which for me is an old style of dilution. It's not enough concentrated for my liking. It does not create a nice foam in the foam cannon unless you use a ton of it. Although I love it in the bucket wash, it's slick under your wash mitt, but it doesn't check enough boxes for me to buy it. So gold class, skip it. Now the most hyped up all-purpose cleaner, this is Kushimi Green Star. This one has a really nice dilution range. I would definitely buy it, by the way. I've been through a 5 liter of this in the past. It's ultra safe on the outside, ultra safe on the inside, no solvent, no sodium hydroxide. Although they mention it is corrosive, but guys, this one, 1 to 20 in the inside, even 1 to 10 on leather. I've done it thousands of times. This is, again, super safe and a super hardcore cleaner. I've compared other APCs that mention to use it at 1 to 10 on the inside, and most of them lacks that bite that we're looking for. So degreasing like crazy with Kushimi Green Star. Now the best-selling car soap in the game, this is Mr. Pink by Chemical Guys. My regular viewers are going to agree with me, and some others are going to flame me in the comment section. This one, I have tested it on my top 10 most sold product test. This one is a little bit like Gold Class from Meguiar's. You need a ton of it to get the great foam. In the bucket, I actually preferred Gold Class. If you use the 2 ounce for 5 gallons, probably not going to be enough to get the best lubricity. And yeah, it's too thick, hard to dilute. The scent is average at best in my opinion. And yes, calculate your cost per wash, my friends. It's not because a gallon costs 30 bucks that it's a great value. You need to figure out how much ounces or how many ounces you're going to use per wash. Next up is a rinseless wash that kind of surpassed ONR a few years ago. This is ultra popular. I've seen it all over the place on my Facebook research and yes, on YouTube. As you may have guessed, yes, DIY detail rinseless wash. I would definitely buy it. There's other top choice nowadays. All other brands have came out with their own take on rinseless washes. So there's a ton of it right now on the market. This one is proven. It works every time. Smells good. No streaking, no smearing, no issues. It's just a solid choice overall. So definitely buy it. DIY detail rinseless wash. Another product that is made for beginners, this is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Another one that is super old that you can find on the shelf as well at your local auto parts store. For us in Canada, we have Canadian Tire. This one, I would only buy it if you were to use it by hand. If you use a machine to polish, try to remove scratches, definitely skip it. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This is another one that I've tested right here. Now, if you have headlights to restore, you've tried sanding, you tried compound, polishing, rotary, and you had failures or the oxidation came back later, definitely buy this one. This is Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. I've had a video on the install, you can find it here. And I actually double check on the durability almost a year later, and the headlights of the Toyota Corolla are still beating water and they are still looking crystal clear. The owner is mind blown by this one. So my friends, definitely buy it with Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. Now, if you're looking for a spray sealant that beats every other product on the market, that lasts 6, 9, 12 months, that is almost as good as a true ceramic coating with 2 layers, I would definitely skip it. If you have your expectation at the right place and you don't believe in spray sealant that outlasts everybody else on the market, I would say buy it. This is a solid one, no streaking, smells good, easy to use, and kind of fun to use as well, but not a miracle product. Griot's 3-in-1, I would personally skip it though. Now, right now it's springtime. You may be looking for a carpet cleaner. So let's go with P&S Carpet Bomber. This is also a legendary type of carpet cleaner, but this one is wrongly used for most people. If you're going to use this as a standalone, I would skip it because it is an alkaline cleaner, pH 10, 11, looks a little bit like an APC. And if you leave residue in your carpet of this, you may end up with crunchy carpets. This one is part of a 3 products system. The first one being an acidic product, which is called Terminator. You would spray the acidic product, let it dwell, and then you would spray carpet bomber on it. And these 2 different products will balance each other. And the third one will neutralize both and leave you with fresh carpets. So in this instance, this one makes sense. Again, if you use it as a standalone, skip it. The legendary Turtle Wax Sealant Shine, lots of hype about this one. I mean, this one has been ultra hyped up since something like 2018. I've had many bottles of this. If you use it in small sections, it won't streak. If you don't use it in the sun, again, you'll avoid the streaks. But overall, this is a solid one, kind of slick for a true sealant and actually super chemical resistant, but won't last much longer than other good or solid choice such as Griot's 3-in-1. I'd say about 6 to 8 weeks with a car that lives outside. But yes, this is a solid choice. I'm going personally to skip it, but I would probably skip all sealants altogether. So don't take my word for it. If you're a beginner, yes, go ahead. It may make sense for you. Now the most hyped up and well-known interior cleaner is PNS Express. And this one, I would definitely buy it. Foams great, cleans super well, so it has the bite to clean greasy stuff while being pH balanced. This is such a great formula. And yes, this is super popular for a reason. I have a gallon in my cabinet of this and I just refilled my 16-ounce bottle. Such a great product. It'll clean even the dirtiest car out there, but if you have a well-maintained car, it won't harm your leather. And yes, it leaves no residue, it evaporates as you wipe it. And yeah, such a great one. Definitely buy it, PNS Express. Now this one is the product that has the most reviews on carsdealer.ca. By the way, you can use the coupon code Dogma at your favorite distributors such as thehouseofrags.com, Car Supplies Warehouse, TOCsupplies.ca, and carsdealer.ca. Touchless by Bill Timber. This is such a great choice. It's such a great pre-wash. I'm personally using this mainly for winter when my car gets ultra nasty. But yes, crazy good product, not caustic, no solvent, no BS in this one. Definitely buy it. Bill Timber Touchless. Now Frank, you're kind of skipping lots of products today. Well, yes, I've been testing about 1,000 products by now and I'm very picky about my favorites. And I just want you to avoid making mistakes, and whether you are a beginner or an intermediate or even an advanced person. So the next one, you definitely want to buy it though. This is Clean by Pan, 3 and 8 year ceramic coating. If you're asking me what is the most durable, available over the shelf type of ceramic coating, I'm going with the Clean by Pan 3 and 8 year again. I've had that on my previous BMW and it's super stout. It survived Canadian winter, which we have salt and all that ultra nasty grime on the roads here. And this one felt unaffected. It's ultra stout, easy to use. And yeah, the price is a bit more than your average ceramic coating, but it's well worth it. Now I'm gonna get fried for this one. I know it's one of you guys' favorite. This is Car Pro Oxide solvent base tire dressing. I'm not a big fan of solvent based tire dressing in general. There's one or two that I really like, but this one a little bit too shiny early on unless you wipe it off. The bottle is always greasy, nasty because of the silicone is in those solvent based tire dressing. They kind of drip over the place, and I'm not a huge fan in general. So Car Pro Oxide has a great smell though. Next one, the original iron remover, one brand that does not cheap on the active ingredient sodium thioglycolate. Smells horrible but works very well. This is Carpro Iron X. Definitely buy it. Another original product, this is Optimum No Rinse Rinseless Wash. Lacks a little bit of that lubricity but smells good, works well for what it is, cleans well, and yeah, I'm just not a big fan compared to what I'm currently using in my arsenal. But this one I'm gonna skip it. If you're a beginner, if you're just dabbling with rinseless washes, yeah, go ahead. Can make sense for you. Now, a polish that is super popular and super hyped up, especially on Facebook. This is Gold Standard by DIY Detail. A great, easy to use polish, and I'm going to buy it simply because it saves my ass many times on sticky paint or super soft paint. It works well because it's so oily and lubricated. Yes, this is a solid one. Definitely buy it. DIY Detail, Gold Standard. Now, if you have really high expectation from your quick detailer, I'm gonna say buy it. This is FSC by Chemi. This one cleans, maintain, and preserve, quote unquote. This is a super nice quick detailer that does not streak, that removes smudges, that has a lime scale remover built in. It can remove some water spots that are somewhat fresh and deep clean your paint at the same time. So I've been talking about this one so many times. I love using this one in the door jams for water drips. After you've done with your wash, you come back a few hours later, you have some water that is dried up or water drips under the mirror or somewhere else. Use FSC. I'm using this on a regular basis. Love this one so much. No streaking, buy it. Now let's go with another interior cleaner that is super hyped up. This is Chemi Polestar. I'm gonna say this or PNS Express. I'm gonna go with PNS Express. This one shines with its pH neutral formula. It foams really well. Scent is somewhat of a neutral smell. It's approved by Dogma, which is part of the Mercedes group, if I'm not mistaken. This is an ultra safe product. If you are facing Alcantara super high-end cars, if you don't need much cleaning power, you could grab that. So I'm having it as a backup. And when I get Alcantara, I'll use this. But other than that, I don't really use it. I prefer to use Express and other options. Can also use a quick interior detailer such as Gion Interior Detailer. So for me, this one, I'm gonna skip it. While Polestar lacks a little bit of that cleaning power, this one does not. This is Built Amber Auto Wheel, the fastest acting iron mover type wheel cleaner. The purple reaction from this is out of this world. The formula is super thick, it doesn't dry. I mean, this stuff is bananas. I'm saying go ahead and buy the 5 liter right now. This stuff is killer, killer, killer. I can't say good enough things. I've tested it a bunch on my channel. Definitely in my top 3 iron wheel cleaner. Solid choice, Auto Wheel by Built Amber. Definitely buy it. Now, probably the most hyped up product on my channel, the most requested product, I'd say for at least 6 months. And I finally got it. This is Yum Detailer, and I'll say definitely buy it. This thing is out of this world. The initial slickness, once you wipe this spray on the paint is crazy. It's super unique. I haven't not seen something come close to that initial wipe, although it does not leave the paint as slick as other options. I have a video on that. I'm not sure if it's coming soon or it already been published, but I've tested it against my favorites, and this thing is well worth the price. If you want to have fun after a wash, definitely grab Yum Detailer, buy it now. Now, I couldn't make this video without Car Pro Reset. This one has been one of the most hyped up car shampoo since forever, pretty much. This is a solid choice, great smell, great lubrication. Not the best lubrication in my experience, or the perceived lubrication, but definitely a solid soap. And if you don't have a ceramic coating, I'm saying go ahead and skip it, because it is so strong. The surfactant package that they have in there is strong. It's kind of a stronger soap. So if you don't care about stripping your sealant, your quick detailer, your wax, yes, use it. You can also buy it and use it once in a while. Solid choice. I mean, even the price is good. If you calculate your cost per wash, you only need 1 ounce of this in 4 gallons of water. Car Pro Reset is solid choice. By the way, if you're a beginner and you want to see a $300 budget invested in car detailing tools, products, accessories, watch this video right here.